Naam, karibu tena mtazamaji na shukrani sana kwa kuchagua kutazama taarifa za KTN leo. Kampuni ya kusambaza maji mjini Eldoret na viunga vyake ELDOWAS inalenga kuzindua kongamano la mabadiliko ya hali ya hewa mjini Eldoret hapo kesho. Kwa mujibu wa mkurugenzi mkuu wa ELDOWAS Peter Biwott, kongamano hilo linalenga kujadili jinsi ya kukabiliana na mabadiliko ya tabia nchi na utunzaji wa mazingira na vyanzo vya maji. Kongamano hilo linalooana na mbio za Eldoret City Marathon zinazofanyika wikendi hii mjini Eldoret kwa lengo la kutunza mazingira. Shirika la habari la The Standard Group na benki ya Family ni miongoni mwa wahisani wakuu wa mbio hizo na kongamano hilo.
Family Bank, by doing this, you are also now playing in the global league to ensure that we save our mother nature. That's why we are saying connecting minds and securing the planet. We cannot do it on our own. We have to look for partners. We have to look for collaborators, financiers, and we have to build that culture of togetherness and unity in terms of securing our planet. So, and we want to thank also the fourth estate. I know Standard Media Group are going to cover live. Standard Media Group also is emerging because you've supported the marathon for the last 3 editions. You are also here in the 4th edition, and we're going to make it big. And I think when we collaborate, all of us, the fourth estate are very important. Media participation is very important, and that is why even as Eldoret Water and Sanitation, in the near future, we're going to hold a media breakfast meeting so that we can discuss and talk about and capacity build and sensitize our journalists on the issue of water and sanitation. Because the conversation is now shifting in Kenya. It is no longer about only building the infrastructure. We have to focus on conservation of the catchment areas, because you can build infrastructure, you can have all the dams, but so long as the rivers are dry, even the dams will be dry. So
for this initiative, we are very proud to be partners with ELDOWAS to make sure that also we conserve the environment, because that's our future. Each one of us consume water every day, and of course if we don't conserve the environment, chances are very high we shall also become extinct. So as Family Bank, and of course as a fraternity from Family Bank, we shall endeavor be together on this, and it is our hope that even in progressive conferences we shall be sponsoring going forward, so that we make sure that this become part of us, and of course part of this generation that is coming for future.